Between the feedings, the diaper changes, and trying to get your baby to enjoy tummy time, it can be tough to squeeze in a sliver of time for anything else as a stay-at-home mom. But if you want to bring in some extra income for your family, there are remote jobs that you can do to make money from home. You're in the driver's seat, so you can make your schedule and decide what kind of side hustle you're going to do to bring in extra money. As you start thinking about what type of home jobs you may want to do, you should be aware that there are some schemes out there. They may come in the form of multi-level marketing gigs, but in reality, are pyramid schemes. Here are the top 7 ways to make money as a stay-at-home mom. 1. Start a daycare or offer babysitter services. Finding a trustworthy daycare or babysitting service can be tough, just ask any parent. But if you have a network of friends who are always asking about babysitting or daycare, maybe you can be that provider. A babysitter can make anywhere from $13 to $18 an hour. That's per child. If you decide to take on just 2 children a week for 8 hours a day at $15 an hour, that's $1,200 a week. You don't even have to take on that much, but that's just to give you an idea of the earning potential that's sitting right in your living room. You can still be home with your child or children and make extra income for your family as a sitter. Plus, your little ones can have some playmates. 2. Transcriptionist. If you are searching for domestic jobs that provide you a spoil from Sesame Street and altering diapers, do not fear, there are masses out there. A transcription job is simply one of them. As a transcriptionist, you can set your hours, even if that skill works at 3 a.m. That's one of the many perks. This job entails transcribing audio files. Once you get into a system, you view a database and select the transcribing jobs that match your capacity and schedule. Transcriptionists can make a common of $15 an hour. 3. Pet sitting. While this might also now not be something you should do 24/7, supplying pet sitting offerings can deliver more money if you are an animal lover. If you recognize humans are going on holiday or are simply going to be away for a day or two, you should offer to watch their pets. Many human beings regularly seem to be canine walkers or human beings who will simply maintain an eye on their pets when they're away. Of course, you want to be satisfied with having any individual else's pet interior your domestic, and you favor to make certain it is going to be protected for your very own children. 4. Bookkeeper. Calling all geared up SAHMs. If you have a talent set that consists of being correct with numbers and paying interest to detail, you may additionally prefer to think about a bookkeeper job from home. This job entails duties like reviewing monetary archives and updating statements. While you may additionally have to meet with consumers over the cell phone in the course of enterprise hours, you can do all of your records entry at anything time that works first rate for you, whether or not it is your kids' nap time or bedtime. Bookkeepers can make a common of $18 an hour. 5. Virtual assistant. Social media savvy mothers can make cash using digital assistants. This kind of job can consist of managing a calendar for a patron or their social media accounts. You may additionally be requested to reply to emails or do research. The specific duties will rely on what your patron needs. All of the work is performed remotely, which is a bonus for any stay-at-home parent. Many digital assistants make upwards of $20 an hour. 6. Start an Etsy shop. There are lots of approaches to making cash online with an Etsy store if you are artful and have some special objects that human beings will prefer to buy. Everything from rings to personalized shirts to stationery can all be a proper aspect hustle for any artful mama. You can create the objects when you have time and submit them. Do your very own advertising by posting them on social media and asking pals to share. The gadgets can especially a great deal promote themselves as soon as you create them. You're simply accountable for delivering them out as soon as they're purchased. 7. Tutor. If you have an academic background, you may also choose to think about an aspect of hustle as a tutor. The common pay is $20 an hour. Whether you are instructing English or supporting with algebra, tutoring can be performed from your domestic or virtually. It's an awesome way to assist youngsters and maintain your skill set if you are in the training field. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.